Super Gem Fighter Mini Mix. Developer Capcom. Fighting Force 2. Developer Core Design. Battle Arena Toshinden 2. Developer Tamsoft. X-Men, Children of the Atom. Developer Acclaim Cheltenham. Capcom More X-Men. Children of the Atom 55 of 158. The best comic book-based video games 14 of 54. The best versions of X-Men 13 of 61. The best Wolverine versions of all time. Dynasty Warriors. Developer Omega Force, Tecmo Koei More Dynasty Warriors 10 of 15 of your favorite video games you didn't know were inspired by books 16 of 28 the best Dynasty Warriors games. Plasma Sword, Nightmare of Bilstein. Developer Capcom. Gundam Battle Assault. Developer Natsu Company. Limited Bandai. X-Men Mutant Academy. Developer Paradox Development. Battle Arena Toshinden. Tekken 6. Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 3. Tekken 7. Kensei Sacred Fist. Dynasty Warriors. Dynasty Warriors. Real Bout Fatal Fury Special. Fatal Fury Wild Ambition. Developer SNK Playmore. WWF SmackDown. Developer More WWF SmackDown. 7 of 80 the best wrestling games of all time. 15 of 22 the best WWE 2K games. Thrill Kill. Samurai Shodown Roman 3. Developer SNK Playmore More 40 of 95 the best Neo Geo games. 59 of 195 the best fighting games of all time. 24 of 40 the best Neo Geo fighting games. Psychic Force. Developer Acclaim Entertainment. Acclaim Taito Corporation. Street Fighter Collection 2. Street Fighter Alpha. Developer Capcom. Samurai Shodown Roman 4. Developer SNK Playmore. Ehrgeiz. Developer Dream Factory. X-Men Mutant Academy 2. Developer Activision Paradox Development More X-Men Mutant Academy 245 of 54 the best versions of X-Men 38 of 51 the greatest versions of Venom ranked 79 of 122 the best Marvel games ever ranked. Guilty Gear X. More Guilty Gear X 760 of 2039 Sony PlayStation 2 games. List of PS2 console games 14 of 29 The best anime fighting games of all time 12 of 44 The best Dreamcast fighting games. Street Fighter EX2. Developer Erica Moore. Street Fighter EX2 29 of 31 The best Street Fighter games ever released. Ranked by fans 15 of 56 The best combat games of all time. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Developer Capcom. More JoJo's Bizarre Adventure 5 of 2020 random fighting games we completely forgot existed. 52 of 109 The best anime video games of all time. Street Fighter Alpha. Developer Capcom. More Street Fighter Alpha 56 of 179 The greatest fighting games ever made. 99 of 195 The best fighting games of all time. Capcom vs. SNK 2. Battle Arena Toshinden 3. Battle Arena Toshinden 3. King of Fighters 96. Developer SNK Playmore. The Last Blade. The Last Blade. X-Men VX. Street Fighter. X-Men VX. Street Fighter. The Unholy War. Developer Toys for Bob. Super Street Fighter Roman 2. Developer Capcom. Marvel Super Heroes. Digimon Rumble Arena. Mortal Kombat 3. Tobal No. Developer Dream Factory. WWF SmackDown 2 Know Your Role. Developer More WWF SmackDown 2 Know Your Role 2 of 80 The best wrestling games of all time. 12 of 22 The best WWE 2K games. McW High. Developer Team Ninja. Capcom vs. SNK Millennium Fight 2000. Developer Capcom. The King of Fighters 99. Developer SNK Playmore. Mortal Kombat 4. Developer Midway Games, Backbone Entertainment, Eurocom. The King of Fighters 95. Developer SNK Playmore. Tobal 2. Developer Dream Factory. Fighting Force. Developer Core Design. More Fighting Force 56 of 102 The best beat-em-up games of all time. 43 of 59 The best Sega Saturn fighting games. Street Fighter Collection. Developer Capcom. More Street Fighter Collection 16 of 59 best Sega Saturn fighting games, 25 of 31 the best Street Fighter games ever released, ranked by fans. Bloody Roar. Street Fighter EX. Street Fighter EX. Tekken. Developer Namco. King of Fighters 97. Developer SNK Playmore. Tekken Tag Tournament. Tekken Tag Tournament. Evil Zone. Developer Ukes. Mortal Kombat Roman 2. Mortal Kombat Roman 2. Street Fighter Alpha 2. Street Fighter Alpha 2. Distrago. Developer Omega Force. Koei More Distrega 19 of 2020 random fighting games. We completely forgot existed 36 of 68 the best Koei games list. Star Gladiator. Developer Capcom. Bloody War 2. Bloody War 2. King of Fighters 98. Developer SNK Playmore. Marvel vs. Capcom Clash of Superheroes. Marvel vs. Capcom Clash of Superheroes. Samurai Shodown Roman 2. Samurai Shodown Roman 2. Tekken 2. Developer Namco More Tekken 2 100 of 116 the best classic arcade games 50 of 119 the best video game sequels. Guilty Gear. Developer Arc System Works More Guilty Gear 25 of 29 the best anime fighting games of all time 4 of 11 the best Guilty Gear games. Bushido Blade 2. Developer Bergsala Lightweight Square. Mortal Kombat Trilogy. Developer WMS Industries Inc. Avalanche Software Point of View Inc. Midway Games. Bushido Blade. Developer Bergsala Lightweight Square More Bushido Blade 17 of 45 the best sword fighting games of all time 38 of 51 video games you wish had an HD remake. Street Fighter Alpha 3. Developer Capcom More Street Fighter Alpha 3 196 of 238 the best classic video games 31 of 50 the most popular fighting games right now. Darkstars. Darkstars. Rival schools united by fate. Developer Capcom. Soul Edge. Developer Namco Project Soul. Tekken 3. Developer Production IG Namco.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.